I hope you are all well today. I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some more beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. In this video you will get to see all the toys. There are also many kitchens which are very beautiful and cute. You can make whatever you like yourself. If you don't know how to knitting, you can learn on YouTube. You will find basic video on YouTube and on my YouTube channel. You will get ideas. You can see any designs and make it. If you want, you can make it any way you want. Then you can customize it from your Instagram pages by giving it any designs. You can make anything with knitting, such as shoulder bag, mobile holder, sweaters, socks. You can make anything, you just need to know how to make knitting. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. You can also customize many of Instagram pages according to your ideas. Content crooked blanket designs. If you like the designs, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. People who are not good at knitting can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both an basic and advanced video on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube videos. In this video you will find many kitchen designs which are very beautiful. People make and sell such a kitchens at home and start their own small business. There is also lots of demand of kitchens, toys, crockery, kitchen sets, anything. I have put together lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are floral and some are cute and little mini teddy bears, animals designs.